Today on Mom's Cookbook Collection, we're going to be cooking Downeast, the favorite New England recipes by Marjorie Standish. Copyright 1969 by the Maine Sunday Telegram. This has a few bookmarks in it. I can remember Mom cooking a few recipes out of this. Most people think Downeast, fish. Well, I haven't quite got up the nerve to, I haven't quite got up the confidence to cook fish yet because, well, what I'm doing is I'm cooking these main entrees so I can pick at it over the course of the week. I'm not 100% sure how fish is going to keep in the refrigerator over the course of a week. So today we're going to be doing a recipe called Easiest Chicken Casserole. I'm going to be adding some ingredients to it because, hey, that's what I do. Ingredients: 1 5-ounce jar of chicken, or 1.5 to 2 cups of cooked chicken. 1 No. 2 can of Chinese noodles. Now, I'm not 100% sure what she means by that, so I'm going to be going with, well, a 5-ounce can of chow mein noodles, 1 small can of evaporated milk, 1 can of cream mushroom soup, 1 can of chicken and rice soup. Now, let's see, I came as close as I could. Savory chicken with white and wild rice, and 1 cup of diced celery, and I'm going to be adding 1 cup of diced carrots and 1 cup of diced red peppers. Cut the chicken in small pieces. Mix with noodle, undiluted evaporated milk, mushroom soup, chicken with rice soup, and the diced celery, the diced carrots, and the diced red pepper. No seasoning needed. Turn into a buttered casserole. Use a 6.5 inch by 10 inch glass baking dish. I'm gonna come as close as I can to that. Top the mixture with buttered crumbs. I'm going to be using panko breadcrumbs, Italian style. And bake very slowly at 300 degrees for 1.5 hours. This slow baking is important, so do not hurry it. Well, it looks good. It smells great. Let's see what we got here. Excellent. Looks like I used the right noodles. And the breadcrumbs. Awesome. You taste the carrots, the celery, the red pepper, everything. It absolutely did not need any seasoning. Well, this was the Easiest Chicken Casserole from Cooking Downeast by Marjorie Standish, Maine Sunday Telegram, 1969, and this recipe was a winner.